video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Qatar Airways employee account. So it's pretty simple to log in into your Qatar Airways employee account. First, you wanna come to this website called qrfms.qatarairways.com.qa. You wanna type this on your browser and it's gonna take you to this website. Once you come to this website, basically there's where it says user type. You want to select staff from here because you are the staff of Qatar Airways. And after that, you want to enter your staff ID and then your password. And after entering your staff ID and password, you want to click on sign in and you should be able to sign into your staff account if your staff ID and password is correct. But if it is wrong, then you cannot. So make sure to double check if your staff ID and password is correct or not. And to reset your password, if you forgot it, then you need to go to Qatar Airways office personally and change it. Alright, because they're a bit strict about like how you can reset it. You can't reset it online. You need to go to their office and reset it. So that's basically how you guys can reset your Qatar Airways account and how you guys can log in into it as well. So that's basically it.